What's up guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. Are you using the printer Canon PIXMA MG2500 Series and it's just not printing at all? If yes, then this video will help you fix the issue. The printing issue can happen for a bunch of reasons, like connection problems, outdated drivers, low ink levels, paper jams error, or even incorrect printer settings. To help you get your Canon PIXMA printer printing smoothly, I'll share the most effective methods here. And one more thing, if you need more help, you can dial the numbers on the screen to get assistance from our printer experts. Alright then, let's jump right into the solutions. Method 1. Check for paper jam. When your printer is on, you need to slide back the output tray. Then, open the front door to access the ink cartridge section. Now, check inside to see if any paper pieces are stuck there. Then, take them out. After that, close the front door of the printer. Then, move to the document feeder on your printer and check if there is any paper stuck. If looking for a paper jam does not help in fixing the printing issue in your Canon printer, then try the next method to remove the cartridge related problems. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if these solutions are helpful in fixing your issue. Method 2. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Access your ink cartridge section by opening the front door of your printer. Now, press down the ink cartridges and take them out one by one. After that, put back the cartridges and ensure that they are installed properly. Close the front door and your printing issue should be resolved.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.